Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Caledonian Drive to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property. You've got stunning views of the Manchester Ship Canal. As the entrance to the property with the downstairs hall, you have a guest bathroom just to my right. Lovely and bright, beautifully presented throughout. A perfect property for somebody wanting to get onto the property ladder. Excellently located with regards to transport links, local amenities with schools, local parks and shops all within walking distance. So we've just come through the entrance hall, seen the guest WC and now into this beautifully presented spacious lounge, which seamlessly flows into the kitchen dining space with a timeless shaker style fitted kitchen, place there for appliances, fridge, freezer, washing machine and your boiler, and then out onto this lovely private rear garden, which does also have gated access back to the front, and the property comes complete with off-road parking for 2 cars. Heading up to the first floor, you will find 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2 doubles and a box which does easily accommodate a single bed. Fitted bathroom just at the top of the stairs with the shower placed above the tub. The second of the 2 doubles, as you can see, just currently laid out as a dressing room, but would easily accommodate a double bed, plenty of space for further furnishings, and this lovely spacious master overlooking the front of the garden. It's perfectly positioned in a quiet cul-de-sac. And lastly, the third of the 3 bedrooms. Again, just now used as an office, but would easily hold a single bed. Plenty of storage just tucked away in a cupboard here also. Access into the loft just off the landing. We've got a beautiful home overlooking the Manchester Ship Canal, easily accessible to plenty of local amenities. We've got the Trafford Centre within walking distance, Eccles Centre, Monson just a short drive away, and access to train, tram and bus stations. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this fabulous home, do please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.